Well, hello everyone, I'm here with another Amiibo unboxing video, and this one is of Diddy Kong and Donkey Kong, but from the Super Mario line. So in the front of the packages, you see the Super Mario logo, the nice pictures of the characters, and Nintendo logo, Amiibo logo, 6 and up, and flip to the backs, you see discover the power inside, what you do with it, and how they are in games, and all that stuff. So we'll start off with Donkey Kong. So here's Donkey Kong. Looking pretty well done. The normal checkerboard base like the other ones, and the red base like the other Super Mario ones. But it also works in Super Smash Bros. And whatnot. And not any paint splecks on this one, so this is a good winner for me. And it's quite a lot of nice detail for the back and whatnot of the fur and whatnot. So yeah, and also the DK logo on the tie, also pretty well printed and whatnot. And that face sculpt with a little smirk on there, it's very nice. And that's it for Donkey Kong. And on to the Diddy Kong. Sorry, some difficulties here. There we go. And there's Diddy Kong. See what I said. And of course the Smash Bros. Version did have eyes open and whatnot, but whatever. Then you see he's sitting on the barrel for Donkey Kong to throw at Mario and whatnot, and also the long cap thing, and of course the cap that says Nintendo on it. And of course, a couple of stars, well printed on there, on the chest, and the tail also well done. And doesn't feel like it would break anytime soon, but yeah, at least they're pretty durable and whatnot. And also quite some nice detailing for fur and whatnot, and yeah. And so for my overall verdict on these Amiibos, I think these are pretty good ones. Like, if you're collecting the Super Mario line and you're wanting to have Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong for the collections, then go out and get these. And that's it with this video, and see you all in the next video.